Welcome to this Tuesday edition of The Right Stand. I'm Anand Narsimhan. Ladies and gentlemen, we seem to be hitting a plateau, and let's hope this trend continues, because day after day the number of cases, active caseload is coming down. It's still above 3,50,000, but it's a good 10,000 cases lower. And most importantly, for about 3 days now, the recoveries are more than 3 lakh recoveries across the country. Our mortality rate continues to be around 1.1%. Our heart goes out to those who are losing their loved ones, but our heart also is emboldened, encouraged, and we are looking at that light at the end of the tunnel because of the number of recoveries. May that tribe grow, may that number grow, and may more and more people have the access to the vaccines in the days to come so that we can all get vaccinated. The pace of vaccination should pick up. It'll take another week or 10 days. That's what we're given to understand, but that will happen. But as we say that, there are more and more people who are stepping up to help, not just nations at large, but also individuals, especially the Indian diaspora across the length and breadth of the world. Let's start with what is happening by the set of British Indians, beg your pardon, who are now doing something very unique. They have come forward in an attempt to raise funds for India as it fights the worst crisis since partition. The British Indian community in the United Kingdom is hosting a 48-hour non-stop static bike relay challenge by covering a distance of 4,720 miles, which is the distance between London to Delhi, as a fundraiser. The relay is being completed across 3 temples in northwest London, Leicester and Essex. Let's hear some more from the volunteers of this fundraiser. As we heard from them, they said this is the least that they could do for the people of India. And let's hope there are more people who contribute to this relay. Great spirit there shown, and we thank each and everyone who's trying to step up to help people in need in India. Now, a person from Kota has achieved a very unique record by donating plasma for the 9th time. Now, here there are people who are not stepping up to donate, and there is Pankaj Gupta, who's donated plasma for the 9th time. He's from Bhagat Singh Colony in Kota, has so far saved 18 lives with his blood plasma. 9 times he's donated plasma, he saved 18 lives. Imagine what you can do if you just donate even once. Now, he says the motivation behind it is to send a message to people so that they are sensitized and they follow suit. What's important, ladies and gentlemen, donating plasma, you have to donate, you have to have recovered in 30 to 50 day period. That's usually what everybody looks at, 30 to 60 day period at the max. And if you have recovered, please step up and donate your plasma. Let's listen into what Pankaj Gupta had to say.
आज मुझे एक बहुत बड़ा सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ है दोबारा से कि मैं 9th टाइम्स अपना प्लाज्मा डोनेशन करने जा रहा हूँ, और मेरे लिए माता रानी की कृपा ही है कि ये ना आज भी एंटीबॉडीज मुझ में कायम है, और जब तक जान है तब तक दान है, इसी स्लोगन पे मैं चल रहा हूँ। मेरे बड़े भाई श्री धीरज गुप्ता जी का भी यही स्लोगन रहा कि जब तक जान है तब तक दान है।
पंकज जी, आपको सल्यूट है, और साथ ही माता रानी की कृपा रही तो और भी लोग आपकी तरह आगे बढ़कर प्लाज्मा डोनेट करेंगे. Now, a glimmer of hope also returns to Sonbhadra district in Uttar Pradesh after the district magistrate decided to reopen a defunct oxygen plant. Abhishek Singh decided to reopen an oxygen plant in the district which has not been in use since 2014. According to the experts, the oxygen plant has the capacity to fill 300 oxygen cylinders every day. Now, the DM has also assured uninterrupted power supply in the district so that no patient suffers. Well done. Let more district administrations step up and also realize the powers that they can exercise and what they can do to provide relief to the people in their districts. Now, the Indian Air Force, moving on, continues to be on a war footing. Today, the Air Fleet for COVID relief airlifted 35 tons of equipment, including 450 oxygen cylinders from the United Kingdom, and is ferrying it straight across to Chennai. Another C-17 returned from Frankfurt with oxygen cylinders. Now, within the country itself, airlifting exercises are ongoing from various places like Hyderabad, Vijayawada and the Hindon Air Base to places like Bhubaneswar and Bhopal. Now, there's also a big CNN News 18 exclusive. We have accessed the exact details of the foreign aid received by India from various countries and how they've been utilized after voices within the opposition were trying to question कि ये जो relief आ रहा है वो जा कहाँ रहा है? Is there anything, any data that can show? And the data that we've accessed shows that the grants have been distributed in proportion to hospitals and medical centers across the country. While additional aid is currently in transit, the government being absolutely transparent and by the end of the day also putting it out on the PIB handles the exact details of what relief has gone where, to which city, which hospital, and those details are there for everybody to access. Absolute transparency there. But what's not transparent is the feeling that everybody within the state is the responsibility of those who've been voted into power. What we are seeing in Bengal is a sorry state of affairs in terms of law and order, and absolute mayhem on the streets across the length and breadth of Bengal, as BJP workers and Karyakartas claim that they are the victims and they're being single-handedly targeted by Trinamool Congress cadre in what is a spate of political killings and violence.
फोटोग्राफ्स दैट इज ओल्ड वन, ये उसका हैबिट है। ओल्ड राइट के फोटो लगा के वो हम लोग पुलिस को बोला है उसको निकालने के लिए और उसको विड्रॉ करने के लिए।
Bengal is on the boil, ladies and gentlemen. That was Abhijit Sarkar only yesterday, and he was pelted with stones, and then he perished on his way to the hospital. There are many other visuals that have come through. What is happening in Nanur, in the Birbhum district, is a cause for concern. What happened in Nandigram, where women workers in a village were actually brought out, BJP Karyakartas were molested, assaulted by Trinamool Congress cadre, that's what's being alleged, and they were dragged down the streets, and everybody was standing there and watching. Elections done, politics in Bengal remains on the boil. Series of attacks on BJP workers and supporters across the state over the last few days, raising a political storm, with the BJP alleging Trinamool Congress goons are on the rampage, terming it vendetta violence. The Prime Minister expressing anguish, and the state governor raising law and order concerns. The Home Ministry seeking a report. The BJP President JP Nadda rushing to Bengal in Kolkata, meeting the families of the workers who've been either assaulted, their houses destroyed, and the families of those whose loved ones have been also killed in this political fight. Can Mamata Banerjee and the Trinamool Congress just outrightly reject the blame and say it is just pure creation of the BJP, a political narrative? Who's responsible for the law and order machinery crumbling? Can they say a government is in transition, so you can't blame us because there's no government currently? Can this brazen show of vendetta violence go unpunished? Take the coup poll. On the coup platform, the handle is @News18. We've put out a poll. Vendetta violence in Bengal is the question, and is it a brazen show of vendetta violence in Bengal is the question that we are asking. The hashtag is Bengal violence. @News18, @Anchor Anand, and other hashtags on coup, and tell us what you think. Take the poll, and we'll put out the poll data towards the end of the debate. Let's also go across to our guest this evening. Abhijit Majumdar, founder and editor-in-chief of the audio platform Earshot.in, is with us. Manojit Mandal, member of the Trinamool Congress, is with us. Kulbir Krishan, former DGP, is also with us. And Priyanka Tibrawal, West Bengal BJP leader, is also with us. Before we dive into the debate, ladies and gentlemen, have a look at this tweet that's just come from the Assam Health and Finance Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. Now, we don't know the role that he's going to play in the new government, but this is what he said. This is the tweet that he's put out. We put it out there, and we've got it here too. And a sad development, 300 to 400 Karyakartas and family members have crossed over to Dhubri in Assam after being confronted with brazen persecution and violence. We are giving shelter and food, and he's tagged Mamata Banerjee. Didi must stop this ugly dance of democracy. Bengal deserves better. Now, this is just this evening. Just less than about an hour ago that he has tweeted this. Now, is this also fake? Is a question that we have to ask. Is this the promise of Bengal? Is this the promise to the Bengal ki beti Manojit Mandal? Is it unfair to ask this question? Whether they vote for Mamata or not, Are they not citizens of Bengal? Why do they have to flee?
10th of April, there was an attack on Lockett Chatterjee. Who did that? Any answer? I'm giving you the time and date. 10th of April, at around 12, Lockett Chatterjee's car was vandalized. Who attacked her? And the answer is Lockett Chatterjee herself. So the BJP has got no credibility. I mean, if you have got the verified videos, we're talking about these videos where women are being molested. Kolkata police have outrightly rejected by saying that this is a fake video.
Sir,
If you have got the verified,
Sir, Nandigram, Kolkata
account
police
of the
does not
video,
work in Nandigram.
Please hand it over.
Kolkata
Please hand
police
it-
does Kolkata police
Doesn't
does not
matter.
work in Nandigram.
The IT cell
Kolkata
does-
police
because
does not
Kolkata
work in
police
Nandigram.
is-
Kolkata police
I
doesn't
know
work in
better than
Nandigram.
you. I know better than
So-
you,
so
and thank God
change the
people of
tone.
Bengal also-
Change the
people of
tone,
Bengal
Manojit
also know better than
Mandal.
you.
Change this tone, Manojit Mandal. This is a tweet put out by Hemanta Biswa Sharma with 400 people who have crossed
is
over to
Hemanta
Dhobri.
Biswa Sharma?
Who is Hemanta
No, no,
Biswa?
who is- no, no,
Listen,
who
I'll
is
tell
a-
you what.
he's a
I'll tell you what.
discredited,
I'll tell you.
corrupt man,
I'll tell you what.
he-
You can pass on
you
these.
can
You can pass
advocate
on
for
these
Hemanta Biswa
verdicts like
Sharma.
this, sir.
You
He's
can,
an elected.
no, no,
He's
you
an
are
elected
passing on the
minister.
buck.
At
Why
least
are you allowing
he's
me
an
to
elected.
speak?
He's an elected minister
are you
in the
allowing
government
me
of
to
Assam,
speak?
and
That
he
is
is putting
your-
out the
that is
pictures
your
of people who have
narrative.
crossed over from the
You
crossed
go
over to
on
Dhobri.
now. You go
Now
on.
these
I'll
are the
remain
people. So
silent.
these
If
people
you
don't matter.
continuously
These
barging
Bengalis
like that,
don't.
I'll
No,
remain silent.
I take objection to the tone that you're adopting, Manojit Mandal, and I know you can be a better person and you can speak in a better tone and a better
No, I
manner
don't
than
need your
that.
certification.
So neither do I need.
If you
Neither does
don't
Hemanta
allow me
Biswa
to
Sharma or
speak,
anybody
if you
else
don't
need
allow
your
me to come in a
certification.
single
I just came
sentence,
out and said,
I
sir,
will have
the
every
women
right
being
to protest.
women being assaulted in
Look at
Birbhum,
yourself.
Calcutta police
Look
cannot
at
say anything
yourself.
about. Kolkata police
Look
cannot
at
say anything about.
yourself.
Kolkata police
Look at
cannot say
yourself.
anything about it.
You
Kolkata
are-
police
you
cannot
are
say
the
anything about it.
judge, jury,
No, sir. So
executioner.
what? Are you the judge, jury, and executioner? Are you saying you are the judge, jury, and executioner? Are you saying you are the judge, jury, and executioner? What are these pictures? These pictures have come in from Nandigram, sir. These pictures have been. These pictures have come from Nandigram. Are these? This is how women of Bengal will be treated. Is this how women of Bengal will be treated? Sir, I take objection to your tone. I take objection to the manner in which you are speaking. I take objection to what has happened in the last 24 hours. Sir, I will allow you to say, if you agree that the manner in which you are speaking, the tone that you are adopting with people from Bengal is wrong. You tell me what these visuals are, sir. Kolkata police will talk about what happened in Nandigram. Kolkata police will talk about what happened in Nanur in Birbhum. Kolkata police will talk about the families which have fled to Dhubri. Kolkata police will talk about it. It's not even their jurisdiction, sir.
Who is Biswa Sharma?
Who is Manojit Mandal then? Let me ask you that. Can I ask you that? I will not ask you that, sir, because I know who you are. I know who you are. No, sir. I said, who is Manojit Mandal? I can also ask you. No. So have you? No, are you? Because I'm asking. You didn't like the tone, right, sir? You did not like the tone, right, sir? So I'm also asking you to respectfully, Manojit Mandal, change your tone. Are you sitting here to insult people?
That's what you
Are you
do.
because you've got a
That's what
mandate?
you
You've got an
national
overwhelming
television
mandate. Does that give you the right to sit here and insult anybody and everybody?
We belong to
Sir,
TMC, that's why
no,
you
no,
insult
sir.
us.
Because they belong to BJP, so
what
they
is
can be
it?
raped and they can be
Then
killed
what
and
is
they can
it?
be dragged around the secretary because
In
they are
the
not citizens of
context
Bengal.
what
Just
I'm
because
saying
they
is that
decided not to
here,
vote for Mamata
in the
Banerjee, they will have to
context
flee
of-
Bengal.
in the-
Is that what you're trying to say, sir? Is that what you're
Don't get
justifying?
excited. I know
No, you
you're
don't get
educated.
excited.
I
You
know
don't
why
get
you're
excited, sir.
frustrated.
You don't get excited,
know
sir.
why
I
you
take
are
objection to the
frustrated.
tone that you're
Don't have to
adopting,
show.
and it is unfortunate that
This
you're
is my
adopting
tone.
this
You-
tone.
how you
So is
control
it the
my
arrogance that
tone?
that
This
is going to
is
be
my
on
tone.
display?
This is my
No,
this
sir.
is
So
your
you can
interpretation.
pass comments on
You
my
don't
tone,
see
but
that
you
yourself.
but I cannot
I'm
question
not
your
jumping
tone.
up and
So
down.
that is the
I'm not
definition of
jumping
democracy
up
for
and
you.
down
That
for the last
anything
2
and
years.
everything that
Don't
you
look
say is
at
correct.
yourself.
Anything and
Don't
everything
look
that
at
I ask
yourself.
is wrong.
How you have been jumping
Abhijit
up and down
Majumdar.
for the last 2
Abhijit
years.
Majumdar,
You
for
did
me
not
to
allow me
ask
to complete
Manojit
single
Mandal, I am
sentence.
wrong.
No,
Because
I-
according to his rules
no,
of
no, no,
democracy,
from now
he can
on,
say what he
I
wants,
will
but
remain
I cannot question him, sir.
absolutely
The
silent
pictures that I
So,
show,
sir,
because he says are
you
fake,
don't
they will be
allow me
fake.
to speak.
But no, sir, it's only you who's been trying to speak all this while, sir. And I have a problem with this attitude, sir. And this is open brazen arrogance. Abhijit
No,
Majumdar,
nobody
go ahead.
expects better from that regime. Nobody expects better. It's
No,
a-
sir, who are you,
a
sure,
regime
to
of
speak to
doom.
me like that,
Who
sir?
are you, sir, to
Who
speak
are
to
you
me?
to
It's a
speak to me
regime
like
of
that, sir,
doom.
Mr. Manojit Mandal?
It's a regime
Who are
of
you
doom.
to speak to me like that, Mr. Manojit Mandal? I am speaking
Who are
to you
you,
with
sir?
respect, and look at the
It's my
tone that you are
attitude.
adopting.
Because you have not.
No,
allowed me
look
to
at the
speak.
tone. No,
Well,
look at the
I
tone
have
that you are
every right
adopting,
to
sir.
protest.
And who are you to speak
I
to
have
me
every
like that?
right-
I'm a
I have
citizen
every
of this
right to
country as
protest.
much as you are.
So then
I have
who are
every
you?
right to
Who are
ask
you,
my
sir?
question
And
as
who are
much as
you?
you do, and I am
So
speaking
if
to you
I
still
know
with
who you
respect.
are.
But look at the tone that you are
Don't satisfy
tone that you are
It is really
adopting.
shameful that people of
Abhijit
Bengal-
Majumdar. Abhijit
Yeah.
Majumdar.
Look,
No,
your friends have come.
nobody, Anand,
And since
nobody
you have insulted me,
expects.
I'll remain silent in
No, can
protest
I-
throughout the
can I
program.
speak?
That's my stance.
Can I speak? I mean,
Sir,
you know,
nobody has insulted
nobody-
you. Your tone is insulting, sir. Your tone that you have adopted towards fellow
nobody-
Bengalis having to
nobody-
flee the state of Bengal is insulting, sir. That is what I have said, Mr. Manojit Mandal. I have not said anything personal against you, sir. I am only questioning the tone that you are adopting against the people of Bengal who are being submitted to the wrath of the cadre of a political party because they didn't vote for them. That is what it is. यही कर रहे हैं सर अभी आप. आपका leadership यही कर रहा है जो अभी आप कर रहे हैं.
Anand, can I come
Frankly,
in?
sir.
हाँ.
One minute, Priyanka ji. Yes, Abhijit Majumdar. These videos are all fake, Abhijit Majumdar. Are these videos fake? Are these old videos?
No, there are several video after video. You see, this is a very old trick. I mean that, you know, some of these so-called fact-checking websites which are run by the money, you know, you know, very, very dubious money. What they do is, you know, after 6 videos, their IT cells will float one fake image or video or an old one. Then they will fact-check that. Then that will become the tool of their political masters to go to the rooftop and shout from. So, and by the way, I mean, from this Mamata TMC regime, nobody expects better behavior or, you know, any kind of less violence. It's a violent, completely, you know, a regime bereft of all culture, bereft of all culture.
Sir.
And, you know, having said that, I never thought that they would descend to this. This is like a, you know, direct action day going on in Bengal. You know, so many people are killed. These are fake videos. Abhijit Sarkar was killed. It's fake. Or it's by BJP.
No, but
Shameless.
but I'll also say, I will also
And
say,
also, this is
I will
not-
also say,
this is
Abhijit
not
Majumdar,
only from
in
BJP,
this same,
Anand.
in
also
this same,
no.
Yeah.
Look at how the left cadre are being hounded and
left cadre,
this thing,
Congress cadre, but
tortured.
and there are Trinamool
Sitaram
cadre also who are
Yechuri
being
has
killed.
put out something. Aishi
Jitin
has,
Prasada,
put out
Jitin
something.
Prasada has also put out. Jitin Prasada has put out how Congress
Asaduddin Owaisi has put out
cadre are being
something.
chased out.
Yeah, I mean, this is just absolute naked display of the kind of you know, stock they come from. I'm sorry to say, it's terrible. You know, there is at least they should have shown the grace in saying, you know, I doubt whether they have control, whether Mamata Banerjee has any control over her cadre or not. But there is a bigger.
No, I refuse to believe that she doesn't have control over her cadre.
BJP
I
bosses
believe
have
very
been
strongly.
absolutely spineless in this.
No.
Spineless. Now
No.
they're, you know, their workers who have stood by them, you know, sacrificing their life and limb, they have not stood by the, you know, the bosses have packed up, took the plane and, you know, come back to
That
Delhi.
you challenge Priyanka Tibrewal. You ask Priyanka Tibrewal, where
Within
is the leadership?
24 hours, nobody is standing beside. I would say even, you know, CPM is standing by its cadre, at least making some noises. You know, this is the biggest party in the world, allegedly. I'm sorry, they have done nothing to save lives.
छोड़ दिया उनके हाल पे. Priyanka Tibrewal, you've not done
No,
anything.
that is what Mr. Majumdar thinks. But let me tell him, but before I answer to Mr. Majumdar, I would like to reply on what Mr. Manojit Mandal was saying, that it is really very unfortunate and deplorable that educated people who call themselves educated from this society are saying that these videos are fake and they are old. See, I have contested the elections. I have 10 such videos which are the truth in my own constituency. More than 500 boys, they are ousted from their homes, and I have made all the arrangements for them where they are staying, where they are eating. I have 110 complaints which I have made to the DG, to the commissioner, to the OCs of 5 police stations, but they are not responding. Women are being molested. I have such videos. Now, if you call all of them fake, then I'm sorry to say that we have nothing to speak about the history of
but
Bengal, which
see-
has always been violence.
See, one
And
party
when
can
this
lie.
claim comes,
No, one party can lie, the other party, but 4 parties cannot lie. But what is also standing out, and
What
multiple
Mr.
people are saying,
Majumdar is saying-
no, what he is saying is also true, that all the top leaders are missing. The cadre have been left to fend for themselves at the mercy of what is going to happen on the streets. There is no collective defense. The single largest party in the world today is being brought to its knees in a state where you have 76
deny.
seats, Priyanka ji. That is
I deny.
exactly what Abhijit Majumdar is saying, and he is there on ground. Abhijit, please She's saying she
No,
denies.
I deny to whatever claims he has just mentioned.
Priyanka, see,
Because let me
Priyanka is
finish,
doing
Mr. Majumdar.
Priyanka is doing
Let
her
me
job.
just-
She is the spokesperson. She is doing her job. That
No,
is
no,
fine.
sir. No,
But
no,
the
no,
fact-
no, no. This is
but
not
but
as a
the fact
spokesperson
is-
that I'm speaking.
But the fact
This is as a
Priyanka,
person who is on the
should
ground.
Ask the cadre on the ground. Amit Shah should ask the
Mr.
cadre on the
Majumdar,
ground. Narendra Modi
Mr.
should ask
Majumdar,
the
I
cadre
am
on
well
the
connected
ground.
to the cadres. Mr. Majumdar, I am well connected to the cadres of my constituency. From past 3 days, I haven't slept. I am arranging for place. I am arranging for food for them. So please do not say that we are not connected with the cadres on the ground. But the sad question is that law and order,
The leaders
the
are
police
not-
is denying
sorry.
any kind of help. Why is so? Why is the situation that worse? And I will give you an answer to that. This is because the CM, the ex-CM, and now who is supposed to be the CM, she is emboldening the confidence of these petty roadside illiterate goons. She is the one who is saying that when the CISF goes, we will see, we will watch them. This is what is emboldening the confidence. And that is why how vociferously look at their activities, they are yelling.
It is very convenient to say that and to blame, and there may be a certain level of merit in what you're saying, but there is also the other aspect that you should have anticipated this, knowing what is happening in Bengal, and your cadre should have been there together, standing together to ensure, and there should have been nobody who should have had the courage to think that they can get away with this kind of mayhem on the streets and on ground. My point is that it is not just BJP cadre, it is left cadre, it is Congress cadre, and in some cases even Trinamool Congress cadre who have lost their lives.
What do we do, sir? We hand over weapons to our cadres?
My simple
What do we
point,
do?
my simple
We take law
point,
and order in
my
our own
simple,
hands?
my simple point at all levels has been, and to all political parties and to all leaders, Mamata Banerjee and the Trinamool Congress have got an overwhelming mandate, but the mandate is to govern all of Bengal, not just some handful of people. Any single person who's had to flee their homes, the responsibility lies straight away on Didi herself, and who now is Ma for Bengal, Manojit Mandal. And let's move past the slanging match. I'm going to come back to you and say let's get into the debate. If you believe that you do not want to speak, sir, please. But I'm coming back to you and I'm asking you to speak. Go ahead, please.
Because you have insulted me and my party.
No, sir. You have
Oh my
also
God, look at the arrogance.
Sir,
Now he wants apologies.
one minute.
Look
One
at
minute,
the
one minute.
arrogance.
Sir, there is.
If you apologize. Otherwise, I'll not
Sir,
participate.
sir,
You
I
don't know
Don't
me.
speak.
Sir.
Nobody would like to hear to you, Mr. Mandal.
No.
Nobody is going to apologize.
No, one minute. This
I
conversation.
don't even want to say
No,
anything.
this
is your channel.
conversation,
Go on.
1 minute, this conversation, Mr. Manojit Mandal, I'm coming back to you to respond to what the allegations are being made by the BJP. It is your choice to choose whether you want to answer those or not. And I'm going to come
I
back
will
to you
not
one more
answer
time.
because you called us to insult.
No, who's
What you
insulting
did
who?
today,
Who is insulting
you have
who?
insulted
You can
us
call me
saying
names
that
and I
who
should
are
listen
you?
to it. You can
Who
call
are
me names
you?
and you can call
I
these
did not
videos
call
fake
you.
and I
You
should
said
listen
it
to it. You
first.
can use a condescending
said
tone
it
against
first.
people who are losing their
No,
lives
no.
and I should listen
And
to
who
you
are you to
and then I
judge
should come
this?
back and
Whether
say,
I'm
no,
condescending
look at the,
against
sir, I
you
may
are
be,
justifying
I
yourself
may
asking
be
me questions.
Inconsequential.
Who are you to decide what is condescending and what is not?
Sir, because this is my
Who
show
are
and this is
you?
the tone which is there. Who are you to tell me
You
what
have
I should say and what I should not
insulted
say?
by calling
Who
me
are you
out
to
because
say?
I'm
Who are you?
representing a
Who are you?
political party.
Who are you to tell
I have
me?
got
Who are
every
you
right
to
to
try
say
and
who
use
is
this
Mr.
tone when
BJP?
lives
I am
are
the
being
Mr.
lost and
Sharma.
people are being forced to flee their
Again,
homes?
You are insulting me.
No, what is this insult? There is no
What
insult,
will
sir.
be
Asking
my
a question is
tone?
not an
How
insult,
will I
sir.
speak?
Asking a question is not an
Mr.
insult.
Anand
Asking a
Narasimhan-
question is
Anand
not an
Narasimhan
insult.
will decide.
I have not used unparliamentary language,
have
nor have I,
insulted
nor
me.
have I become,
Doesn't
nor
matter.
have I. If you
Doesn't
believe it has
matter.
been an insult, sir, then so be
You
it, sir.
have
That is the
called
way
us
you are
a
interpreting
gate.
it. That
You
is the
have
way you are
called us a
interpreting
gate
it,
and said
sir.
that who are
Because
you?
you get a mandate
You
doesn't
are
make
a
you so
reporter.
arrogant
You are
that
the
people
Mr.
will have to
Sharma
do
is
your
not a
beck and call,
reporter.
sir. That is
You
not
know,
going to
Mr. Sharma
happen.
is not a
People
reporter.
will
You have
not do
insulted
your
my
beck and
party.
call. That is not
And I-
democracy. I have the right to ask you and I have the right to ask you questions. And if you
You
feel
have the
my
right
questions
to
are
ask
offensive,
questions, but
then
you
so
have
be
the
it,
right
sir.
to insult.
Kulbir Krishan ji,
You have the right to
namaste.
insult.
No, sir. Kulbir Krishan ji has been listening. Please tell me, sir, if I have used unparliamentary language against Mr. Manojit Mandal,
Doesn't
I have
matter.
asked a question which is
To
wrong,
insult a
or I
person
am wrong
is
in questioning the tone that he is adopting when
You
lives
have
are at
insulted
stake and
me
people
and
are
my
fleeing
party
the
on
state,
national
which has
television.
given them an overwhelming mandate.
You have
Mr. Kulbir
insulted
Krishan.
me and my party on
No
national
one has
television.
used any unparliamentary language, but
Doesn't matter.
the kind of response from the various political spokesmen are unfortunate. See, the elections are always hard fought. Now you have to come to the post-election phase. The people have given their verdict. They have voted overwhelmingly for the All India Trinamool Congress. The Trinamool should celebrate its victory and in a spirit of generosity. And Miss Mamata Banerjee is wearing two hats. She is the Chief Minister of the state, and as Chief Minister, her first constitutional duty is to protect the life and property of everyone living within the state, not just those who voted for her. And I'm sure she has also called for maintaining peace, and I'm sure she'll do it. Today she may be a caretaker Chief Minister, but she is the Chief Minister. Tomorrow she's going to be sworn in for a third term. So as Honorable Chief Minister, it's her number one priority to ensure that life and property of all people living in West Bengal is protected. Now, I feel that all of us should offer our sincere condolences to those who have lost their lives, to those who have been injured, to those who have been molested, to those who have been humiliated. And we have to look forward. We are fighting a big COVID pandemic. And here, if we do tutu meme, it doesn't help the fight against COVID. My request is, please.
But the priority, Kulbir ji, the
of
priority was supposed to be fighting COVID, but this is now
Now
sorting
that
it
the
out,
results
taking
are
out the BJP कार्यकर्ताs or the political rivals and teaching them a lesson. तुम हमारे खिलाफ चुनाव लड़ोगे, आओ अभी हम तुमको दिखाते हैं. यही हो रहा है. Look at the way the women are being treated. Is this how you would want the Bengal women in Bengal to be treated under a chief minister who is saying that I am the Ma of the state? Kulbir ji, and where is the police, sir?
She's the All India Trinamool Congress Supremo also. So she has to rein in her cadres. She has to tell them that, look, enough is enough. And, this is very dangerous. It should not take a communal turn. It has to be nipped in the bud. Police and administration have to take firm action today.
But where is the police? Where is the police taking action, sir? Sir, Miss Mamata Banerjee resigned as Chief Minister yesterday. She is going to take oath only tomorrow. In between the last 48 hours, the administration is under the control of the bureaucracy and the police. Where are they taking action? There, in majority of the places, they are standing as mute spectators. Nobody is taking action against all of this.
The fact is that means there is dereliction of duty. And one of the main complaints of Miss Mamata Banerjee has been of central interference. So if she doesn't want central interference, she should nip this violence in the bud so that there is no excuse for anybody else to intervene. And as far as the administration and the police are concerned, they take orders from the caretaker CM. It is not that they don't take orders, and they have to act. And if they don't act, the center is not exactly.
No, who's going to hold who accountable here?
I'd like to make
is.
In Jammu and Kashmir recently, 3-4 government servants have been dismissed under Article 311 2C of the Indian Constitution, which means you can be dismissed from service without an inquiry in the interest of security of the state. The same thing can easily be done in West Bengal if some people have not performed their duty, if they've been idle spectators. The central government has every power to dismiss any IAS officer, any IPS officer under Article 311 2C. It has done that in the past, and I feel that if they do it to 1 or 2 cases, the rest will all fall in line. You will see a sharp
There will be absolute mayhem, sir. Kulbir ji, there will be absolute mayhem. They will say, "Tum haar gaye." That is why you are using your office as Home Minister and your central powers to try and enforce. Just now itself, Mr. Manojit Mandal has already said that the agenda is to impose president's rule in the state. तो फिर इधर क्या चित हम जीते पर तुम्हारे बात तो वही है.
Anand, not just that.
Yes, Priyanka ji. No.
The difficulty is if we take a step or if the center takes a step, they will do the same. They will say this, that we are interfering because we have lost. Now the difficulty is if we are writing complaints to the DG or the commissioner, they are not taking any steps. Rather, if we are mentioning names of the goons or the TMC cadres, those TMC cadres and goons are being informed by the police and the people are being tortured more and more. I have such names. I have names of those women who have been thrown out from the bastis. Their houses have been locked. And look at the audacity of the TMC goons. They are saying, "हमारे पैर पकड़ के माफी मांगो, कहो मोदी मुर्दाबाद, कहो कि बीजेपी मुर्दाबाद." Only then we will allow you to enter your houses. Now,
So-
what do
so-
we do?
So there is a reflection of what is happening on ground even on my show, where I have the Trinamool Congress representative or member trying to tell me unless you apologize, I will not talk. The same thing you are saying is happening on
Yes,
ground कि पैर
this
पकड़
is
के
the
माफी नहीं
arrogance.
मांगोगे तब तक
Yes,
तुमसे बात नहीं करेंगे,
absolutely.
तुमको आने नहीं देंगे.
This is the arrogance. This
ऐसा
is the
नहीं.
arrogance which
No,
is
no,
there.
no. Sir, my point is there is a certain level of a political amplification of what is happening on ground, but my larger concern, Abhijit Majumdar, and I am going to again, once again, very humbly request Mr. Manojit Mandal if he wants to respond. My simple concern, sir, is that you are not Chief Minister of just Trinamool Congress. You may be Trinamool Congress Party President, but you are Chief Minister of the State of Bengal. If there are 400 people who have crossed over to Assam fearing for their lives, it's a reflection upon you. Now, so this vendetta, is this what you're going to carry in your heart?
For Mamata Banerjee, you must realize another little part of this election. While the TMC has won a landslide, Mamata Banerjee, as the popular mass leader and CM, Chief Minister of Bengal, has lost her election. So, she doesn't want a repeat of that. I mean, and I suspect that this level of intimidation and violence is being used to silence every voice that she is hearing around her against her. 70-80 seats for BJP, the expectation was much more, but it's not less. And defeating the sitting chief minister, that must have shaken TMC in some way. But this is no way to deal with your opponents. This is no way to deal with your opponents. People who shout fascist from rooftops through the day, are doing this. These should be shown. The mirror should be shown to them. Who's a fascist? I mean, people who misuse the word fascist at the drop of a hat.
No, and not just that. I
It's
tell you what.
shameful.
15 years ago.
Happening in my state, I have no words.
15 years ago, the Trinamool Congress was subject to the same treatment by the left cadre. The Trinamool Congress was subject to the same treatment, and the cadre which was batting for the Trinamool Congress was raped. They were killed. They were brutally made to run ragged around the streets, and this was the treatment meted out to them. And at that time, the promise made was that never again will this happen. Today, what we are seeing on the streets is the same treatment being meted out by Trinamool Congress cadre, that's the allegation, to the political opposition of the day. So where is the learning and where is the reflection? So are you trying to say that you have taken on the same role of those who you claimed were monsters? I'm going to once again ask Manojit Mandal, do you want to respond to this? Because these people are people of Bengal.
I'll not respond for the insult that you have meted out to me and my family.
So you're going to continue to please maintain that.
Know
Please
what
maintain
you
that
know,
position.
know what you
Sir,
know.
so this is
I'll
like
not
for the
speak
next
a word.
48 hours, neither will we see, nor will we hear, nor will we talk about what's happening on the street. Because that is what is convenient. There is no COVID threat now at all, Kulbir Kishan ji. There is no COVID threat. हरे रंग का गुलाल लगा के एक दूसरे पे गुलाल लगा के और फिर एक दूसरे के साथ ग्रुप में जाकर किसी के घर के अंदर घुड़ के तोड़फोड़ करेंगे, सब कुछ करेंगे. अभी कोई कोविड थ्रेट नहीं है. अभी कोविड नहीं फैले.
The short point I was trying to make was you have to be magnanimous when you have had such a big victory. You have to take everybody along with you in the fight against COVID, and you have to act in a statesman-like manner. Because if you do partisanship, it will backfire on you, it will invite central intervention, it will require judicial intervention, etc. So the good governance requires that yes, we have won. Now let us heal the wounds, because there's always a lot of heat during electioneering. Now the results are out. We have all to be one. We have to act as West Bengalis. We have to act in the interest of the state. The COVID is, ravaging the whole country. It is ravaging West Bengal also. So we have to work and put all our energies towards combating the disease rather than combating each other.
No, but there cannot be another each other. No, you have to first flatten out. You have to first teach those people who thought they can compete with you, who can stand up against you, a lesson, and that lesson has to be taught. जब तक वो लेसन सबक सड़क पे सिखाया नहीं जाएगा डंडा मार मार के, तब तक भी थोड़ी हो सकता है. That seems to be the attitude. Despite the supreme leader of the party yesterday evening saying, I do not want any activity, no celebration, no people out on the streets, no violence, I hate violence. She may have made the allegations against the BJP, but she said, I don't want violence. But what is happening on the street is a totally opposite of that. So should we incur that Mamata Banerjee can't control her cadre, or that what was said yesterday was mere lip service and this is what was told to the cadre? Go and first teach them out a lesson. Once I take oath and once I sit on that chair back in Nabanna, then things will not, then you go back into your houses. Till then, the next 48 hours, you have a free run on the streets. I hope that has not been the message at all. I hope and pray, because these are all Bengalis. These are all people from your own state. They may have the right, to have a different opinion than you. Don't run them roughshod, because that's exactly what you blame the BJP in other states of doing. You went all the way locked up to Hathras to raise a question on Yogi Adityanath. What's happening in your own back door in Nanur, nobody knows. Amazing, absolutely fantastic. And Priyanka Tibrewal, not one, many people of the BJP, many BJP supporters have come out and said the same thing. You left your cadre high and dry. You knew that there is going to be a backlash and you've left your cadre high and dry. And that's the complaint with the top leadership. That's the complaint which has come from everybody on social media too, on ground also, and that's what Abhijit Majumdar is also reflecting. JP Nadda has just tweeted where he says, with a heavy heart, met the family of our Karyakarta, Shri Abhijit Sarkar, who was brutally killed in post-poll violence in Belaghatta and Kolkata. We will fight this ideological battle with the cruel Trinamool Congress in a democratic manner. We are rigidly standing with our Karyakartas. But JP Nadda was not there on ground on result day. The top leaders who were there for the last 2.5 months were not there on ground. The cadre were not ready there to be able to be prepared to meet a certain level of backlash on ground, to defend themselves, to protect themselves. Why is it that 400-500 families have had to flee Bengal and into Assam today, Priyanka Tibrewal, if the Karyakarta and if the cadre is strong on ground?
See, again, I will say that if now we step or take any actions, they will say that we are taking the actions because we have lost. Now, what do you expect? See,
no, I am not saying.
Let me finish.
No, Priyanka ji, it's not about taking action now. It is about saying, ensuring the safety of those people who have worked for you. It is not about trying to retaliate and take violence and take law into your own hands. It's about trying to say that you will stand there at that time when they were walking into their homes, when these people were in the nooks and crannies and in the padas and across the villages, when they were coming and smashing and attacking, where were the leadership?
You can treat me as a cadre as well, because the same happened with me. The goons vandalized my office. They entered my house. They entered my complex. What I should have done? I should have attacked them back. I went to the police. I called them 110 times, but I did not get the support.
Priyanka Tibrewal put out every single call record, every single letter that you have written to the local DG, and the responsibility then lies on the fact that the DG and the local police have to answer why these calls went announced, because as per the Trinamool Congress member here, the Kolkata police have rubbished all these charges. Nothing has happened. Everything is a figment of the BJP's imagination.
I have all the records with me to prove that my offices were vandalized, because CCTV camera was there everywhere. I have records to show that the local police did not respond. The OC did not pick up the phone till 3 o'clock in the night. There was Khala Hobe music running outside my house with bombs being heard, and no police took any action because they were asked not to take actions.
No, the fact that you are saying they were asked not to take action is an allegation that you make.
No, it is not an allegation.
If there was attack in your house and you have proof for it, please put it out. If you have letters and if you have made calls and the respective police authorities have not responded, you put it out. If you have a recording of somebody who says कि हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि हमको बोला गया है कि कुछ मत करो, then you put that out. Then you challenge that. But otherwise, if you are saying that they were given orders, that's a political accusation that you make. But the fact is that they didn't act on it. That is something which you must then raise. You must raise it to the central ministers, to the Home Ministry and to the Governor's office, because then this is an administrative call. And like Mr. Kulbir Krishan said, then these officers, then they should be charged and they should be suspended with immediate effect. They should be relieved of their duties because they have not done their duty. Politics aside.
Everything on record, and I will do the needful soon.
All right, let's see what action is being taken, because at various levels questions are being asked. Questions have to be asked of the BJP and its top leadership, of leaving their cadre high and dry, of the Trinamool Congress and its patron-in-chief Mamata Banerjee as to did she give the orders to her cadres to go and do a dance of democracy on the streets, as Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma has said, or Is it the administration which said, let's just keep quiet till the time we have a new government in place and let's not do anything? And did somebody ask them to do that? Did somebody ask them to just cool their heels as Bengal was burning in various blocks and streets? Because who has hurt? It's not a political party and its cadre. It's the people of Bengal who have hurt each other. That's the larger point. That's the promise of a Sonar Bangla which was made, a promise of a Bengal which will be taken to greater heights under the incumbent chief minister. That's not happened. And of course, if there is going to be an arrogance which says, you keep quiet, you do not say anything, you do not decide, and who are you? If that's the attitude that Trinamool Congress is going to reflect, well, then the people will also respond in an equal measure. I have to wind up the debate. Thank you very, very much. Here's a check on the coup poll. We told you towards the end of the debate, we'll tell you the coup poll. So far, this is the coup poll on Brazen Show Vendetta in Bengal. With about 600 responses last I checked, 97% say yes, it's a brazen show, vendetta violence in Bengal. 3% say no. Connect with the coup app. At News18 is the handle that you can use to connect with us here at CNN News 18. We take a short break. See you on the other side.